grade 7s. So in today's lesson we will be making a crane using a hydraulic system. As you can see, my crane is working through a hydraulic system over there. Let's add a load to check if it can still withstand a load. Yep, and it is working lovely. So, what do we need to make this simple hydraulic powered system crane? All you need is some cardboard over here. You need some split pins. You need your sellotape, your tube, and some syringes that you will attach to your tube for your hydraulic system. And then also the tools is your basic, your scissors, the glue, the ruler, pencil for your whole design process. So first things first, we need to plan and design how our crane is going to look, as well as how it is going to work. So over here you'll see the sketches and drawings I have made step by step how to make this beautiful crane. The first step obviously is making your tower system. So you take your cardboard and we are going to cut it into one long strip of 30 centimeters as well as two 15 centimeters, so that's half strips. So the long strip over here and the short strips are here. Okay, so step number 2, we will pin the two together, actually 3 pieces together. So we're going to take our split pins and we will attach it through after making holes in our cardboard pieces. So once we have our tower structure, we can attach it to our base structure, which we need to withstand and hold our whole tower crane structure system. So once you have your tower over there, we can go ahead and do our load structure. So for the load structure, I use some cable ties, as you can see here. Some cable ties, you may use some string or anything that basically is going to hold the base of the load structure. And for my base of the load structure, I used my normal cardboard pieces. And after making the load structure, we go ahead with our last process, which is making our whole hydraulic system. So the hydraulic system needs 2 syringes, preferably one of 20 milliliters and one of 10 milliliters. So we would take our 20 milliliter syringe first and attach it to our long beam on top. Once it is attached, we can add our tube. Over here I have more tube. We could add our tube in our 20 milliliter syringe and attach it to our 10 millimeter syringe. Once we attach it together, we can then use our hydraulic system. But obviously our hydraulic system will only work if water or any kind of liquid is added to the syringes. So you would add about 20 milliliters of water, and if you test your hydraulic system out, it should be working perfectly like that. Okay.